try to give answer, will you listen to that? That's why Krishna is not giving an answer. Krishna could have started giving answer whenever he says like Gandivam is falling, I am feeling total tension. Krishna kept quiet. Krishna knows, let him continuously fall. Let us see what he does. So he kept quiet. And Arjuna also knows, assume that you have done a mistake. You wanted to give an explanation to your parents. You have gone for a movie without asking. What you will do, you will try to give some explanation. You know that your parents will know that you are lying. And then what you will do? You will also give some explanations around it. No? Is it not? Why do you give that? You know that they are going to answer you later, for which you will take an advance bail. Correct? So similarly, Arjuna is telling this and he could have stopped, but he did not stop. He says, see, why I am not fighting now? Not because I have tension. Na vijayam kamkshe. I don't want. Na kamkshe vijayam Krishna. I don't want to win this war. Therefore, I am not fighting. Na rajyam sukhanicha. I don't want this country. I don't want to become a ruler. Na vijayam. No success. I don't want sukham. Na cha rajyam. Na cha sukham. Cha means and. Okay, in Sanskrit cha means and. So, na cha rajyam. I don't want rajyam. Sukhani cha. I don't want sukham. Kim no rajyena govinda. See, why? What is that to be done with a power position and all that? I don't want. Etc. etc. He says, what is this? Actually, his mood is being reflected. Not that he doesn't want this. He knows all the stories behind how they have fought, started coming, and why. Do you think that Arjuna can decide? Arjuna is the Manas. Do you think Manas can decide whether I want something or not? Even when you say, I don't want ice cream. What is your internal feeling? Why are you saying, I don't want ice cream? Because you have an intention to have it. If you don't want, you will just run away from there, right? Standing in the center of the war field, he could have told, take my Ratham back. First thing what he said is, take my Ratham in the center. Suppose he don't want all this, why he has to tell all this? He could have told Krishna, take my Ratham back, finished. Chapter is over. But internally there is a desire. What is the desire? Because he has got relatives around him. Who ordered him to be present in the war field? Eldest brother, Dharmaputra. Always the decision or the ultimate truth is what is winning. Dharmaputra is the person who is controlling the Pandavas. Every action is controlled by Dharma. Though you don't want to do it, you will do it because you know that is the right thing. So who is Dharmaputra? The representative of truth. He will tell inside your manas, there is a feeling that this is the right thing I should do, this I should not do it. But still, you know that ice cream you should not eat because highly non-vegetarian. Every ice cream is non-vegetarian except that it is marked green mark. And therefore you know I am not supposed to eat that, or you know the water used is the dirty water. But still your Indriya will ask your manas, have it. Is it not? Then are you running away from that, saying that I don't want it and go? You will keep looking at it. Should I have it? And you start explaining. Doesn't matter. Once in a while if you have it also no problem, right? And you will start justifying. Why this justification? Why I am having it? I don't really want, but no, my friend want to eat it. So I will give her a company, give him a company. So always we are doing not for us, for somebody else. And this relationship is what is holding him here. Not because Arjuna don't want Vijayam, not want Rajyam, he could have run away. But he is always worried about his relationship between brothers and says that yes, I will stand. Still, he cannot even fight. You can see both Arjuna don't want to run away, don't want to fight. He is worried, doesn't mean he will run away. Or it's Arjuna, therefore he cannot become all on a sudden unconscious and then die there. It's a normal person, he should have. But Arjuna is very strong, therefore he stands there. Now, after all this, he says, I don't mind killing the Pitamaha, all that doesn't matter. Swajanam hi kadam hatva sukhina syama madhava. How do I assume that, okay, now first what he says is, I don't want Vijayam, all these people are my relatives. Now what he says,